Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. Looking for the perfect fridge for your dorm or bedroom? The Upstream 3.1 CU.FT mini fridge is the compact solution you need. It features a two-door design with a 2.22 CU.FT cooler and a 0.88 CU.FT freezer. You get the flexibility to store both fresh and frozen items with ease. With 7 adjustable temperatures, you can keep your food and drinks just the way you like them. Plus, it's super energy efficient, costing just about 10 cents a day to run. Need customization? The removable shelves, crisper drawer, reversible doors, and adjustable legs make this fridge a perfect fit for any space. Quiet, compact, and versatile, the Upstream Mini fridge has everything you need to stay cool.